Hey folks, it's me. It's Christy. So if you're watching this video, this means that you've finished the first 3 learning targets for environmental science. Yay! Good on ya. Good on ya. This means that you have 3 stickers. If you don't have 3 stickers, but you think you've finished the first 3, then you need to reach out, because that means that maybe I don't think you're done, but you think you're done. So before you start working on sticker 4, I want you to make sure and go back, check your sticker sheet, make sure there's 3 stickers. If there's not, then you and I just need to chat. We just need to make sure that we're both on the same page. So if you're ready to start sticker 4, what you're going to do is this. Actually, I'm gonna back up a little bit here. So courses, environmental science, I think you know the drill at this point. We are in our folder here. You're gonna go down to the red folder, bam, and you are gonna scroll down for sticker 4. It's under week 3 notes and weekly assignment. That's sticker 4. The first thing I am going to do, or the first thing you're going to do, is open up your directions doc, and we need to click on it again down here, so directions and assignment for week 3. And we're just going to go through the directions really quick. So it says copy and paste everything underneath these steps into a new Word doc. Name the doc with your name and sustainability project. Here's what I'm going to say to that. We're going to say your name and sticker 4 assignment. Okay? So the example then would be Christy, sticker 4 assignment. Then, once it's copied, you're going to paste it into a new doc. Once it's pasted into a new doc, you're going to name it, your name, sticker 4 assignment, and then you're going to hit the share button right here, and you're going to share it with this email here, which is my email. Then you're going to go back to Schoology, and you're going to open up your notes. Step 4 here, open the red folder that's called week 3. I just showed you that. And you're going to open up notes part 1 and notes part 2. Okay, so we're going to go back into Schoology. We're going to go back to week 3 notes, and we are going to open up notes 1 and notes 2. You can only open up one at a time, which is a little annoying, but that's okay. Since we need both of these notes, what I would do, guys, is just download them, because it makes it a lot easier. So this little down arrow, download, click on that, and then it downloads down here in the corner. And then we're going to go back, and we are going to download the second part of the notes right here. And then we're going to hit the little arrow again. Bam. Cool. Alright, so now we have our notes. Let's continue on the directions here. So, again, copy and paste, new document, share that document with me, open up your notes. Alright, step 5. Watch Christy's first video explanation of this week's first assignment. Alright, that's easy enough. So you open up video, and you listen to me talk for 14 minutes. I know, it's rough stuff. Hey everyone. There it is, there's me. So you're going to watch this video and hear what I have to say about the introduction to the unit. And then when you're done, you can close out that video. And then you have another video to watch. Watch Christy's second video going over the notes. And the first 11 questions. Oh man, so if I'm actually legit going over the questions, I'm probably giving you guys the answers. So it really, I know some of you don't like to watch the videos, and I understand that. They can be kind of boring. But if I'm like legit going over the questions and the answers, you should really jump on and watch that video so you know what's going on. The first 11 questions can be found Yeah. So starting right here. So on slide 3, what are 2 questions that help form each of the environmental worldviews? Question 2, answer one of the questions provided on slide 3 that describe one way. The answer reflects how you personally feel about the environment. So you're going to answer, so the first 2 questions are right here. Also, for this second question, I thought it was kind of a tough question, so I gave you my example here. So this is just an example of me answering question 2. Questions 3 and 4, you have to read this paragraph, but again, if you watch my videos, I read the paragraph, so that's kind of cool. You don't got to read it, or at least you just have to listen to it. So question 3 and 4 come from that paragraph. Question 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. All right, so after you watch this second video here, you should be done with the first 11 questions. Bam! Awesome. Okay, so then there's a third video that wraps up the first assignment, meaning we finish it completely, and then I introduce you to this second assignment. It's really not a second assignment, it's the second half of the assignment, if you want to think of it like that. Then there's a fourth video going over the questions for that second assignment, and then a fifth video where I, again, give you a lot of answers and we kind of sum things up. So your goal by the end of this assignment is to answer the first 11 questions that we just talked about. And then when you're done with those 11 questions, we're going to go down here. So it says, use notes part 2. So notes part 2, if you're curious, guys, we downloaded the notes, right? So we've got notes part 2, I think, is this one. Let me just double check and make sure. Yeah, okay. So this is our notes part 2, second set of notes for week 3. So if I say go to notes part 2, this is where you go, right? Also, again, I go through all of the notes in the video. So if like you're going through the notes on your own, you're like, I have no idea what the heck she's talking about. She's crazy. Go to the videos, guys, because the videos I go through all the notes and I explain myself. Okay, so it says for the second part here, you're going to use notes part 2 in Christy's third and fourth video to answer the following questions. We've got 1 question, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last 2 are tables that you have to fill out. Okay? I expect this assignment to be a 2-hour assignment. I expect it to take 1 hour for that first 11 questions, then 1 hour for those 7 questions after. This is what I'll say before I close this video up. I will say, if you watch all my videos and you watch me go through the notes, this will be a 2-hour assignment. If you don't, it will be a much longer assignment because you're gonna have to like figure things out on your own and it might be tough. So my advice to every single one of you is to watch all the videos first, and please email me, text me, call me, communicate with me. If you, after you watch the videos, if you still don't understand something, just reach out and I'll be happy to explain it to you in a different way. Once you finish this document, you're done with science. You're done with science this year. Oh man. So this means this is my last video for you guys until next year, or maybe summer school. I enjoyed teaching you. I'm really sorry that we had this whole pandemic thing, man, it's crazy. But I enjoyed teaching you in class and from afar, and I hope everybody has a very safe and healthy summer. please, guys, I know everything's starting to open back up a little bit. Don't go outside without your masks. The virus is still very, very contagious. It hasn't changed. It's still bad out there. So even though adults might not be making the best choices and they might be going to beaches and partying it up, it's still the virus is still floating around in the air. So just be safe, be on guard, stay your 6 feet away, and enjoy your summer, guys. I will miss all of you, and please feel free to email, text, whatever, if you just want to say hello. All right, peace.